how to buy oil token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going to buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token, and make sure to check the Telegram channel too. Now as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 7 hours ago and increased by 500% in less than 4 hours. This token also trending #1 in the Sonic section. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your Bitget wallet. For that, go to your wallet and select the Sonic as a network. So after you select it, what you need to do, I will just click it to add it to my networks. So as you can see, after you select the Sonic as a network, click on this plus icon and paste the token address here. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and select your token, as you can see. So after that, click on swap, switch from here, and from the top, select the, as you can see, I will just go back. I will select the token again. Now click on swap. So it seems that it's not be able to buy this token on my wallet. So I try to click on it, click on swap, so I can't find it here. Now the other solution is by go back to the screener and click on trade oil. As you can see, click here to expand this window. So you need to wait a few seconds to load this page. Now after that, what you need to do, just connect your wallets. I will just click here, and as you can see, click on this connect. Now connect to my wallet. I will just select the Bitget. As you can see, click on connect. So after that, click on approve. Now as you can see, after you connect your wallet to Shadow, what you need to do, so as you can see, this is our token. This is from here you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC or WS. So any token that you selected from here, you need to have this enough token on your wallet. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy all token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.